Good morning, children. Welcome to science class, children. Children, open your book and see chapter 9, Respiration in Organisms. Children, in this chapter, we will discuss about respiration and its need, types of respiration, process of respiration, breathing, human respiratory system, mechanism of breathing in humans, breathing in cockroach, earthworm, frog and fish, respiration in plants. Okay. So first of all, we have to know what is respiration. Children, respiration means the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy is known as respiration. Okay. Then types of respiration and why do living organisms respire? In order to maintain itself, move, excrete, growth, reproduce, and organism must be supplied with energy. Energy must be required. The ultimate source of energy is sunlight. Green plants convert this energy during photosynthesis into chemical energy in the form of synthesized food. Animals, including humans, obtain energy by consuming food made by green plants or by feeding on other animals. So, energy stored in food molecules is released when they break down due to oxidation reaction. Okay. This process requires oxygen and occurs within every living cell. This applies to animals as well as plants. Okay. So, to get energy, oxidation is necessary. Okay. The process of breakdown of food, already I told you, the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the reduce of energy is called respiration or cellular respiration, as it occurs inside the cells of an organism. Okay. Then comes to types of respiration. Children, two types of respirations are there: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? The type of respiration in which breakdown of food substance takes place in the presence of oxygen with the release of a large amount of energy is known as aerobic respiration. So, in aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen. Here one equation is given: food plus oxygen. Then after reaction we get energy, carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So aerobic respiration, the products are energy, carbon dioxide and water. Most animals including humans and green plants respire aerobically. The term aerobe is used to describe such organism. Then anaerobic respiration, just opposite of aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is the breakdown of food substances with the release of small amount of energy in the absence of oxygen. Here oxygen is not required. Okay. It occurs in certain organisms like yeast and some bacteria. These organisms are called anaerobes. In the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol and carbon dioxide with the release of comparatively less energy. The equation of anaerobic respiration is food, glucose. In the absence of oxygen, energy plus alcohol plus carbon dioxide. So children, you remember the equation of aerobic respiration and equation of anaerobic respiration. Okay. Aerobic respiration is more efficient than anaerobic one, as the more energy is produced during aerobic respiration. Then anaerobic respiration in humans can take place only for a short time. It takes place in our muscles when our body undergoes vigorous muscular activity during heavy exercise or fast running. Muscular cramps may develop as a result of heavy exercise or fast running. In fact, when muscle cells respire anaerobically, there is a partial breakdown of glucose and lactic acid is produced. Accumulation of lactic acid causes muscle cramps. So children, you remember, accumulation of lactic acid is the reason for muscle cramps. So here equation is given. Food means glucose in muscle cells. In the absence of oxygen, lactic acid plus energy. Okay. Here children, you see difference is given in your book, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. You remember. Okay, practice this difference. Then process of respiration. There are two main stages in the process of respiration: breathing and cellular respiration. Breathing is the intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide, and cellular respiration, the process in which food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules within the cells using oxygen and releasing energy. This is also called internal respiration. Okay, because within the cells respiration is occurs. Here also another one, breathing and cellular respiration difference is given. What is breathing? It is a physical process of exchange of gases. And what is cellular respiration? It is the chemical process. This is physical process, that is chemical process in which food molecules are broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Breathing is occurs outside the cells, but cellular respiration is occurs inside the cells. No energy is released in breathing, but energy is released in cellular respiration. Then comes to breathing. As mentioned earlier, breathing is a process by which organisms take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation, and giving out of air rich in carbon dioxide is called exhalation. So two terms are included in breathing: inhalation and exhalation. Okay, one inhalation and one exhalation constitutes one breath. Breathing continues throughout the life of an organism. It continues without any break all the time. It is thus a continuous process. Then rate of breathing. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as a breathing rate. For a normal individual, the breathing rate at rest is 12 to 18 times per minute. Breathing rate is not constant. It varies according to the requirement of oxygen by the body. The requirement of oxygen depends on the physical activity. Breathing rate increases during heavy exercise or when one is running fast. That time our breathing rate is increases. But in rest time, means sleeping time, it is slows down. Okay. Faster breathing during heavy physical activity produces more energy. As a rate of faster breathing, more oxygen becomes available to the body cells and more food is broken down to produce more energy. Okay. So children, after this you read. Next video will discuss about human respiratory system. Okay. You read properly what is breathing, what is cellular respiration, what is inhalation, what is exhalation, and the equation of aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Okay. And their difference. You read and learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.